Let's take a look at the Pegasus Grande Turin by Bailey. This is one of the 6-man Pegasus Grande. You've still got that crisp white finish on the van. Looking down here, you have at the end of the van the toilet cassette and the water entry there to put water and fluids into the system. Coming along, you have your double wheelbase, and then up towards the front you've got that Truma heating outlet and where you plug in your water. Lovely van, as I said, crisp finishes. You've got that classic, or what is now classic, Bailey finish there. You've got that long window at the front, dark tinted windows, and coming down to what now is a black A-frame at the front. The other side of the van, you got a entry point in there for under bed storage. You have the double wheels again, the door, the bin, the vents for the fridge freezer, and then coming through to the gas bottle entry on the side, and again another under storage cabinet there. All in all, very good van, nice finish, crisp lines.